In this video, we are going to create Pandas DataFrame from a nested list. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for create a Pandas DataFrame from a list of lists. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. This use case requires Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. This line of the code defines a list. The code then defines a list called calls that contains the desired column names for the table. Next, the code creates a Pandas DataFrame object. It passes the data from L to the constructor as the first argument, but with the first row excluded using list slicing. The second argument specifies the column names for the data frame. The resulting data frame is assigned to the variable df. Let's run the code now, and you have created a Pandas DataFrame from list of lists.